Hi guys, how are you? How have you been doing? Back with another video. It's your girl Marie, and just from sleeping. And guess what? This is gonna be my last day here. I think so, unless otherwise. Don't mind my voice. Unless otherwise. So in the next 2 hours, I should be leaving. I should not be here. And I thought it was kind of good and wise to share this small moment this moment with you while I'm packing and stuff. I'm supposed to be taking all this off from the closet because my friend is coming and she will have to use this. So all these clothes are mine. Yeah, they are mine, and I have to take them from the closet there. I also have to take this, let me show you, this duvet from the bed. I kutandika the one that is hers, which is under the bed here. I also have to clean the kitchen. I have a lot of things to do, and let me just set the camera and let's go through the vlog together. Otherwise, if you're new to my channel, I want to thank you for clicking on this video, and if also you're not new, thank you for clicking on this video. And if you're new, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below on what more videos you want to see from me. Okay, yeah, I don't think it will be possible for me to share my moment when I'll be traveling now to the place that I'm going for my attachment, because I'll be with some friends and we have a lot of things to carry, so it will be hectic for me to hold the camera and stuff. So just bear with me. I'm gonna show you just a few like the moment when I'll be here packing and stuff, all blah blah blah, only that, but I won't be able to travel with you. I hope you're going to enjoy the video. Kindly watch till the end so that you can know some of the things that I'll be doing in the video.
I had cooked some pilau last night, and I didn't want to leave it here because I was not very sure at the time my friend will be here. So I decided, okay, let me just pack this pilau of mine. Maybe I will eat it before I start traveling, or even share it with the friend of mine that I'll be traveling with. And now it was time for me now to start doing the dishes and clean the small kitchen of mine and make sure it is well arranged before I leave. And that's my friend's duvet. And I also had to pick the bag where I'm going to pack the things that are on the closet. So let's pack together. At this point, my friend came to tell me to hurry up because I was taking time and look at my closet. I've not even taken like half of the clothes from it. And I had other things to do, like, oh my god, someone is hurrying me up. Here I am. Anyway, it took time, but I did my best, let me say that. I had to ensure that everything mine is well packed and well arranged so that I cannot give her hard time when she's unpacking her things and stuff. So I think I was done with packing, taking off the shoes even from the closet and everything that was mine. Now this time it was time to make now the bed. I was done now making the bed, and kama kawaida I had to make a dance move. It was now time to take a shower, dress up, finalize everything, and then I'll leave the house. And even before I had finished finalizing, my friend came for me. So that now I can hurry up and finalize everything because it was kinda getting late.
And now, this is yours. I'm done. You are done. Because you can imagine when you like ukianza kutravel tena juu ya logbook. Hiyo kitu ni mbaya.
I can't even estimate the time it took me to get ready. Because I don't know, but I kind of took long. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of took long, but finally done. Leaving the house now, getting ready to travel. Finally very ready now to leave. I was saying goodbye to our beautiful house. I'll come back here maybe in the next 2 or 3 months. Goodbye. And now I think that's the end of our video today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That's why I love you so much. Do not leave this video before you subscribe. Leave a comment and do not forget also to like. Goodbye. See you in the next video. I love you so much. Mwah.